Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
So, how was your essay competition? Nice, huh? Good. All set for next class, or you all want some more time? Aisha Kazi, Aisha Aga, Hamdan. How was your essay? Only Zaveria gave me a good thumbs up. What about y'all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Hamdan. How was your essay competition?
Nice, ma'am.
Okay. Umaira. Aisha Aga. So what we'll do, because you all have taken an essay today, I thought I will keep more of theory. But when I logged in at 11 o'clock, I saw you all were getting some feedbacks for essay, right? So I don't want to keep it more, hectic for you all now. So what we'll do, we'll see two videos today. I kept one video for today and one video for tomorrow. But because we have already learned about axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton, yes, you all remember anything about axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton? Can anybody share with me anything what you remember about it? Anything? Take your time, be calm, think, and then you all can tell.
The shoulder bone is the only bone which goes horizontally.
Yes, that's nice. What else? Which is
And the
the
thigh bone is the longest, and thigh bone is the longest and the strongest.
Okay, very good, Zaveria. Can you just remember the name? Femur.
Vertebral column.
FEMU. Yes, vertebral column is also known as
Pelvis bone, spine bone, skull. These finger ones are called.
good going. Come on,
Now
come
I
on.
knew it, but I
Zaveria,
forgot.
fast. So many names she told of the skeleton. Come on, Aisha. Aisha just told vertebral column. What is vertebral column also known as? There is a proper word for it. Hi, Aisha Aga. How was your essay competition, dear? Spinal cord. Vertebral column is also known as spinal cord. Okay. So because you all have just come back from an essay competition now, I'll not keep it too heavy for you all today. So let us watch some videos, a fun video, so y'all can also, chill. Y'all can have what y'all want to have. So again, our friend is coming here. Here he is. Oh God, what happened now? Give me 1 minute. Yeah. I don't know what button I've pressed in my laptop. I'm facing some issues in my laptop. I'm very weak than y'all in technical issues. So y'all have to teach me, okay? I am teaching y'all science and maths. Y'all have to teach me all this, okay? Come on. So I'll start with a video so that y'all can just, relax. Yeah. Is it visible and audible?
Systems of the human body.
Clearly audible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only Amza can hear. Others cannot hear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Skeletal system. Bones. The skeletal system is made up of bones, joints, and cartilage. Bones are hard and they support our whole body. If we didn't have bones, our body would be like jelly or a jellyfish. Joints connect our bones and allow movement in our skeleton. Cartilage is softer and more elastic than bones, and you can find it in your nose and ears. The muscular system and skeletal system make our locomotor system. We have more than 200 bones, like our skull, spinal cord, humerus, ribs, and femur bones.
Okay, sorry to interrupt, but why femur bones are considered to be very strong? Any idea?
Because they are the thigh bone and it supports the whole body and helps us
Fantastic,
to walk.
because the whole weight of our
Because
body,
the whole weight of the whole skeleton and the body is applied on the thigh bone. That's why it has to be
the
strong.
weight of our body is carried by the legs, and the upper part is strong because most of the weight is carried by the femur bone. That is why it is considered to be very strong, and it is a long bone in our body. Okay,
Bones that we have are
and which is the shortest bone in our body?
The ear bone.
The ear
It is called stirrup. STIRRUP. Okay.
Sternum.
jawbone, vertebrae, clavicle, shoulder blade, ulna, radius. Sternum, pelvis, kneecap, tibia, fibula. Have you enjoyed this video about the human body? We have many more. Subscribe to our channel.
So this was all the revision, like a kind of revision what we did with the parts. I'm showing you all videos why, sometimes what happens when you only have theory, when only you have a teacher talking like me, and sometimes you tend to forget. So when you watch a video, it is much more easier for you all to recollect. Yes. And now we have also studied about axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton in our previous class. So the outer part of our body, we can say an outline of our body, for example, the shoulder part, our arms, our legs, our pelvic girdle, they all are considered to be the appendicular skeleton. And what is axial skeleton is right in the middle of our body. It is right in the center of our body, midline of our body, which consists of skull, chest, and our spinal cord. That is a vertebral column. Okay. So here today we have somebody to explain in detail what is appendicular skeleton and what is axial skeleton. Skull. That is known as the hind brain. Okay.
Plus, then other vertebrae. For that, each vertebra has a special arrangement. Children, you can see the processes coming here on the back side also. And in the center, there is a canal. Through that canal runs our spinal cord, and see what nature has provided a kind of protection for soft spinal cord, which is running from this point up to this point. And it is covered by these vertebrae on all the sides. Why do we have so many small pieces of bones called vertebrae in our backbone or in our vertebral column? So that there is flexibility in our body we can move our back, our body, right, left, or forward or backward. And in doing so, our spinal cord is not damaged. So,
Understood? Imagine if you would have a single bone how you have in your arms. Would you bend? Would you be able to stretch yourself? No, because a single bone will not allow you to do that. You may damage your bone may have a crack in it, and you may injure yourself. But because they are, yes, so this is such a funny way that I can enjoy the song also and I can learn the skeleton also. No, Mar. Hamdan, how did you like this song? Who is
Ma'am,
going
it
to
was
sing?
great. It was excellent. I don't remember these bone names, but I remember two now.
Oh, wow. So something good I've done with the video. So now who's going to sing? At the end of the lesson, when we finish this lesson, no, I will choose somebody to sing this song. Okay, let me see who is going to sing that from the class. Okay, Aisha, you will try to sing this song?
No,
Aisha Katia, Aisha Aga.
no.
One person will sing the song and the other will dance like how he was dancing, no?
Aisha Ghazi will sing.
Okay, Aisha Kazi will sing and Aisha Aga will dance.
No.
And she'll show us all the parts of the body because it is, no, she cannot show the skeleton, that is why. And then the other, we will make two groups like this. One will sing the song and one will dance and show us all the parts, no? So one group is Aisha Kazi and Aisha Aga. Then the second group is Hamdan and Hamza. Okay. So now you all decide who will sing and who will
And
dance.
cut me out. Cut me out.
No,
I can't sing.
no,
I
one
cannot
can't
dance.
cut anybody out. Okay.
Oh,
So shall we wind up with the class for now? And tomorrow shall we do science or we'll do maths? What you all want to do?
Science.
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 We'll do science only.
Yes.
And then Friday we will do maths. Is that okay with you all?
Yes.
Okay.
So tomorrow what I'll do, I'll bring a nice quiz kind of fill in the blanks for you all with lot of options and we'll play with skeleton. Again, we'll today he was dancing, tomorrow we will dance. Okay. Is that okay? Y'all have to teach me how y'all keep this lovely backgrounds, you know. I don't know how to keep, y'all always see all these boring curtains and all this in my house, no?
Ma'am,
tomorrow-
it will happen in laptop.
Okay, I have a laptop. I take my class on laptop only. So tomorrow
Okay.
after that session,
Go on where the stop video sign is there. There's an arrow there. Click on that.
okay, I clicked on the arrow now.
Then you see virtual background, choose virtual background.
I choose
Then you
virtual
can
background.
Yeah, and you can pick
you can
any.
pick from Google.
you like.
From any.
Okay, now there are
There
background.
are options also.
Now what to do there?
You have to click the background.
I click background and filters now.
Only with you.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am,
see?
go to virtual background.
Can you see pictures?
Ma'am, share your screen. Ma'am, share your screen.
1 minute, I'll share.
It's good in tab, not on laptop.
Ma'am, can we leave the meeting?
Okay, fine. I will learn tomorrow from you.
Ma'am,
Okay?
we
No,
will.
ma'am. Let Aisha Aga leave. We'll
No, ma'am,
teach
we
you.
will say. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
let Aisha Aga leave.
Ma'am, share your screen.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll just share my screen. Here it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, now open Zoom. Open Zoom, not whiteboard, ma'am. Screen.
Oh,
Wait, ma'am. I'll teach you. Ma'am, wait. I'll do it. Wait, ma'am. I'll do it.
Share your Zoom screen, ma'am.
okay.
Share your Zoom. On tab, it is different.
Ma'am, not whiteboard, screen.
Whiteboard. See, I clicked on share screen. Now what
Wait,
do
ma'am.
I?
I'll teach you. Ma'am, wait. I'll do it. Wait, ma'am. I'll do it. Yeah, ma'am. Now open Zoom. Now
Go
open
to
Zoom.
Zoom.
Go to Zoom.
Minimize and go to Zoom.
Yeah, go to Zoom. Minimize this.
Okay.
The page
Oh,
you
ma'am.
have right.
Go to meeting.
Go to Zoom, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, share the slide. Like there's option na any slide you can share. So share the Zoom slide. You're sharing the PPT slide.
Yes, 1 minute. I'll again check. I told you I'm very bad at all this. I can't find you.
Then you can share screen and share. Oh my.
Okay, see here I can see a stop video. Then there is a arrow here, and I have choose virtual background. Okay. So I did choose virtual background now, and I have background and filters here. After that, what should I do?
Ma'am,
You clicked on
do it
virtual
on background.
Click on virtual background. There will be four or three images.
Okay,
And you
yes, I
can
got
add
more.
Pick any. Yeah, you can pick any you like.
Okay, fine. I came to
Ma'am,
know.
it's more good on tab.
I'm not on tab there. I use my laptop. So I will learn that, and tomorrow I'll come with a new background for science. Okay.
Ma'am, you take a screenshot of a dancing skeleton and put it.
Okay, fine. I'll do that. I'll try to do that. Okay. Thank you very much for your time, children. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow now for science only.
Bye,
And then
ma'am.
Friday we will do a maths class. Okay. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye.